Hi guys, welcome to the Pepcoding. In this video, we are going to solve meetings room 1. So before solving this question, I want to tell you that this question is a follow-up question of the level 1 question, which is merge intervals. So before solving this question, I will ask you for watch that video if you don't know about the merge intervals question. So before doing this, please watch that video. Now here in this question, we have given n meetings. There is a person having n meetings scheduled, and all the meetings have a start time and the end time. Here, the start point and the end point of the meetings. Some meetings will may or may not overlap to each other. If they are overlapping to each other, this means the man cannot take the meetings, all the meetings, because let's say if there is a meeting start from 1 to 3 and another meeting start from 2 to 4. Here these two meetings are overlapped from 2 to 3. This means the person cannot take both meetings at same time. So we need to return false in this question at this condition. Now all the meeting schedule represent starting time and the ending time, and we need to figure out that is it possible to attend all the meetings or not. So this is the question. We need to return true or false. If the person can attend all the meetings, we will return true, else we will return false. So let's see it by the sample input and the output. So here we have a range of meeting. The range of the meeting start from 1. The maximum meeting the time can go for these 5 is 15. For these 5 meetings is 15. So here this is for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So let's see the meetings range. The first meeting is from 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Second meeting is from 8 to 10. Third meeting is from 7 to 8. And the next meeting is from 9 to 15. And the last meeting is from 2 to 6. So here if we see the first meeting, the minimum starting time is 1 and the max time it will go till 15. And here the first meeting start from 1 and go till 3. But there is another meeting which start in between this meeting, the first meeting. Here we can see there is a meeting which start from 2 and it will go to 6, but there is an overlap from 2 to 3. So at this condition we will return false. We will return false. Now let's say this is not 2, this is 3. So here the last meet is from 3 to 6. From 3 to 6. So at this condition we can see there is no overlapping. There is a meeting start from 1 to 3 and then the another meeting start from 3 to 6. So this is not a overlapping, because if the first meeting is end, at the same time it will start the second meeting. So there is no overlapping. Now for checking the overlapping, what we need the end time of the meeting, current meeting, and the start time of the next meeting. So here end time is, it is 3. It is 3 of current meeting. End time is, start time of next start time is 3. So here end time is equal to ending time is equal to the next start time. So there is no overlapping. Now this end time will update by the next start meeting. Now the next current meeting will be what? Will be the next meet. Start from 3 to 6. So here end time will be 6. And now the next start time is, for this meeting, the next meeting will be start from 7. So this is 7. Now here we can see again end time is smaller than next starting time. So this means there is no overlap. If ending time is greater than the next starting time, we will return from here false, because this means the next meeting is in the range of the current start and the end time. So there is a overlap. So we will return false from there. Now again this condition is false, so we will update the end time. End time will be updated by 8. The next end time, the next meeting end time, which is 8, and the next start time for that meeting, for this meeting, the next start time is, 9. So this is 9. No, we were here, and the end time was 8. The next meeting start from 8 also. So here again this condition is false. So again it will updated, end time will be updated by the next meeting's end time. So here the next meeting's end time is 10. So this will be 10, and next start time will be updated by the this 9, which is the next meet of 8 to 10. So next meet of 8 to 10 is 9 to 15. So this will be updated by 9. Here the condition, it is greater than new start. This will return false from here, and we get the result that it is not possible to attend all the meetings for that person. Let's say instead of 9, it is 11. Now this will be from here. So for 9 to 10, the next start meet will be start from, instead of 9, it is 11. Now this condition is false for this case. Now it will update ending from the next start. So next start is next ending is 15, and end start, the next start meeting will be updated, but here the loop will break because all the elements are used. Here we have used 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th. So at the end, when all the meetings can attend for the user, we will return in the end true. If the man can attend all the meetings, here there is no overlap of meeting for this, so this means we will return from there. So what we need is, first we need to short our meetings according to the starting time. So for this condition, if we short it, start time will be 1 and the ending time of that one is 3. Then the second meeting will be 3, ending time is 6. Third meeting will be 7, ending time is 8. It is sorted. Here we can see it is sorted according to the start time. Next meeting will be 8, start from 8 and go till 10, and the last meeting will be from 11 to 15. So here we will use the condition for ET and the next start point. ET and next start point, ET next start point. If any of this condition where ET is greater than next start, we will return false from there. If all the conditions are false, if these conditions are false for all the cases, at the end we will return true. So this is the approach. Now let's code this. So we need to sort our intervals according to the starting time, and starting time at the zeroth index of column. Now here there will be a case when the intervals dot length is equal to 0. This means there is no meeting to attend. So from there we will return true. If there is no meeting to attend, the answer will be true. And if there is only one meeting, dot length is equal to 1. This means there is no overlapping of meetings will be, if at least 2 meetings are there, then there will be an overlap. Now we need to sort it. Arrays dot sort of intervals a comma b, and here we will compare the integers dot compare what, a of 0 and b of 0, because our starting point is at 0th index. Now this will be short the array, the 2D array according to start time. Now we need a variable which will be et will save the first meetings which will be at 0, and the ending time will be, first meeting of ending time will be 0 and 1, 0 1. Now we need to iterate from 1 till intervals dot length I plus plus. Here we just need to check if there is a condition when et is greater than and time of current meeting is greater than intervals at I, that is next meet, of 0, that is start. If ending time is current ending time is greater than next meeting starting time, this means we need to return false from there, as we will update our et end time with the next, that is ith next ending meeting, which will be at I1, intervals of I1. If there is no condition come when it is greater than intervals in our input, the meetings are not overlapping, so in the end we will return true. So this is the case. Let's run this. So it is giving the output as false for this input. Now let's try to submit this. So all the test cases are also passed. So this was a very good question. Hope you understand the approach. We have sorted the array according to the starting time, then we have checked the ending time and the starting time of the next meeting. Now all the elements, if there is no condition, it is greater than intervals, that is starting time of the next meeting, we return false. In the end we return true. Hope you understand the approach. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.